4 घंटे तक सीलिंग फैन को देखते रहोगे ये सोच के कि भाई साहब what the fuck just happened after reading these books. Hi, I'm the slowest reader on a mission to glamorize books and bookstores. And today in this video, I am going to be recommending you the best of the best thriller books for beginners. Okay, firstly, let me tell you that I am a through and through थ्रिलर बुक गर्ली 70% मेरी बुक्स थ्रिलर बुक्स ही होती है और बाकी मैं दूसरे जॉनर्स पढ़ती हूँ सो आई एम वेरी वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट thriller books. So I know for sure that if you pick one of these books, you will have the best thrilling experiences ever and you will want to read more thriller books. And that's the point. Before I start this video, I just want to quickly give a disclaimer. Please भगवान के लिए thriller books के blurbs मत पढ़ना. Trust me, it just spoils your reading experience a lot. It gives a lot about the book and we don't want that. And don't worry, while recommending the books, I will give you a one-liner plot of the book so that you know the topic and that's it. That's the only thing you need to know. उससे ज़्यादा आपको जानने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं और जो आपको जानना है वो मैं आपको बता दूंगी. Chill करो. So let's get started. The first book I have for you is Love Mom by Ileana Zander. Okay, so I have finished this book just yesterday. And oh my god, what a lovely experience it was. See, as a seasoned reader ना अब मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है कि कोई beginner friendly thriller book मुझे impress कर पाए. But not in this case. Even though it is a perfect beginner friendly book, very easy to read, I was shocked, I was surprised, I was stunned, I was invested, I was engaged, and I literally had such a good time while reading this book. भाई बहुत मजा आया. See, if you're not living under a rock, आपने Housemaid book के बारे में पक्का सुना होगा that it is a very beginner friendly book. Yes, it is. But if you do not want to read that book because आपने बहुत ज़्यादा उसके बारे में सुन लिया है, or you have already read The Housemaid but you're looking for something similar but better, then this book is the perfect alternative to the Housemaid book. This book is more engaging than the Housemaid. It has shorter chapters than the Housemaid. The twists are more shocking than the Housemaid, and overall this book is a better thriller than the Housemaid. तो इस book का one-liner plot सिर्फ इतना है कि there's this girl जिसकी mom who is a very famous author, उनकी death हो जाती है due to an accident, but after her death this girl starts receiving letters by her mom and secrets unfold. ओवरऑल बिगनर्स के लिए बुक बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी है. स्टोरी बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट पेस है. आप एक भी बार बोर नहीं होगे और चैप्टर्स इतने छोटे हैं दैट ये बुक कब खत्म हो जाएगी आपको पता भी नहीं लगेगा. दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट अ परफेक्ट बुक टू डिप योर टोज इनटू द क्रेजी वर्ल्ड ऑफ थ्रिलर्स. द नेक्स्ट बुक दैट आई हैव इज अ लिटिल controversial, but trust me, it does its job very well. I'm talking about The Girl in Room Number 105 by Chetan Bhagat. Okay, I know that many people have very, very strong opinion about Chetan Bhagat and his books, but I judge a book by its story and not by the author. Okay, firstly, मैंने बहुत सारे नॉन रीडर्स को ये बुक रेकमेंड की है जिन्होंने कभी लाइफ में एक किताब नहीं उठाई, उन्हें ये बुक दी है and they have finished this book. They have enjoyed this book and it was a good start to their reading journey. And that's true. अगर कोई बुक इंडियन बेस्ड होती है तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप थोड़े ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हो जाते हो उस बुक में. प्लस इस बुक की सिंपल राइटिंग और हेल्प करती है और मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि इंडियन बेस्ड बुक से अपनी रीडिंग जर्नी स्टार्ट करना इज अ वेरी गुड आइडिया बिकॉज देयर इज अ सेंस ऑफ फेमिलियरिटी इन दोज बुक्स व्हिच कीप्स यू हुक्ड. नाउ दिस बुक इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर थ्रिलर. इट हैज मोर ड्रामा, but that drama favors this book and it makes it even more interesting to read. One liner plot इस book का ये है कि there's this guy whose ex calls him to come over to her place on her birthday eve. The guy goes and makes the biggest mistake of his life. That's all you need to know. And of course, this book did shock me. I was flabbergasted as a beginner. It has love story, it has drama, it is thrilling, it is suspenseful, and it has an ending that you won't see coming. So yeah, it's a really good beginner friendly thriller book. The next book on our list is a very popular book, Never Lie by Frida McFadden. This is 100% the best book to start your reading journey with. मैं आपको ना एक चीज बताती हूँ. मैंने ना बहुत ज्यादा रिसर्च करी है अबाउट बिगिनर फ्रेंडली थ्रिलर बुक्स. इस टॉपिक पे बहुत ज्यादा, कम से कम 100 वीडियोस तो देखे होंगे मैंने. एंड इफ देयर इज वन बुक दैट इज रिकमेंडेड बाय every book talker, every book content creator, every person who likes reading thriller, it is Never Lie. तो भाई मेरा यूजर नेम ही द स्लोएस्ट रीडर है. इट मीन्स दैट आई जेन्युइनली रीड वेरी स्लो. इवन दो मैं थ्रिलर बुक्स पढ़ती हूँ जो कि फास्ट पेस होते हैं, स्टिल मैं बहुत स्लोली पढ़ती हूँ. आई टेक माई ओन टाइम वाइल रीडिंग द बुक. बट द ओनली बुक दैट आई रेड सुपर डुपर फास्ट इन जस्ट 2 days, मेरे लिए बहुत जल्दी है, इज नेवर लाई. भाई इस बुक में सब कुछ अच्छा है. फर्स्टली इट हैज गॉट वेरी 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 शॉर्ट चैप्टर्स, और हर एक चैप्टर क्लिफ हैंगर के साथ यानी कि सस्पेंस के साथ एंड होता है. सो यू ऑटोमेटिकली रीड द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर एंड देन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर एंड देन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर एंड यू डोंट स्टॉप. एंड भाई इट हैज गॉट जॉ ड्रॉपिंग प्लॉट ट्विस्ट. तुम सीजन रीडर हो, बिगिनर रीडर हो, तुम कोई भी रीडर हो, इस बुक का प्लॉट ट्विस्ट तुम दूर दूर से गेस नहीं कर पाओगे. प्लस आई हैव टू से दिस, फ्रीडा मैकफेडन की ये बेस्ट बुक है. She has published like over 15 books, I guess, and this one is still the best. So your first book will be her best book, and that is great. So one liner plot इस book का ये है कि there is this couple जो कि house hunt पे होते हैं, and they find this big house at a very remote location, but due to a thunderstorm वो उस घर में stuck हो जाते हैं, and then strange things starts to happen, and that's all you need to know. All the hype around this book is absolutely worth it, and you should definitely check this one out. The next book I have is My Husband's Wife by Alice Feeney. Now let me tell you something. Alice Feeney is my favorite thriller author. I love her. I love her so much that she's the reason why I got into reading thriller. She's the reason why I fell in love with reading thrillers, and hands down she writes the best thriller novels ever. You can't argue with me on that. Having said that, Alice Feeney books are not popcorn thrillers. You would have to invest some time in those books. So they are not very beginner friendly, except for this one. Bhai, this book is considered to be her best book till now. It is her latest release. और अभी तक मैंने जितने भी thriller book readers, book content creators के videos देखे हैं, सारे book content creators ने 6 star rate किया है. Not 5, 6 star. I don't know if I'm being biased or not, but you absolutely cannot have the best reading experience in thrillers until you read an Alice Feeney book. भाई इस book में हर एक chapter में plot twist है. Yes, and that is so rare. The plot of this book is one of my favorite plots ever, by the way. The plot is there's this girl, Eden Fox, जो कि रोज jogging के लिए जाती है, and she only carries her house key. जब वो jogging से वापस आती है and she tries to open the door doesn't open, the key doesn't work. थोड़ी देर बाद दरवाजा खुलता है and there's a woman standing who looks almost like her, who dresses almost like her. She's like, who are you? The woman says, I am Eden Fox. I live here. Who are you? उसका husband आता है and she's like, who is she? ये हमारे घर पे क्या कर रही है? The husband says, she is my wife. Who are you? I had the greatest time while I was reading this book. It is fast paced, it is engaging, it has a lot of crazy twists, going to be one of the best thriller books you have ever read. And the final book I have for this video is The Housemaid's Secret by Frida McFadden. I know what you are thinking कि भाई सब लोग तो The Housemaid recommend करते हैं, then why am I recommending this book? Because this one is actually better than this one. Okay, unpopular opinion, but I find The Housemaid book a little overrated. Don't get me wrong, I do feel that this is a good book to recommend to beginners. I just feel it is not the best book to recommend to beginners, in my opinion, of course. भाई मेरे हिसाब से एक अच्छी थ्रिलर वो होती है जिसमें आप ट्विस्ट गेस ना कर पाओ, जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा शॉक करे, सरप्राइज करे. एंड आई फील इस बुक में आप गेस कर सकते हो बहुत इजीली कि क्या ट्विस्ट होगा. आई मीन अगर आपने थोड़ी बहुत भी थ्रिलर मूवीज देखी होगी ना, एक दो भी देखी होगी, तो भी आप इजीली गेस कर पाओगे कि इस बुक का ट्विस्ट क्या है. एंड दैट इज अ मेजर टर्न ऑफ फॉर मी. बट दैट डजंट क्वाइट हैपन with this book. Again, an unpopular opinion, but I like this book better than The Housemaid. भाई इस बुक का ट्विस्ट मैं नहीं गेस कर पाई थी, एंड दिस बुक डिड शॉक मी, इट डिड सरप्राइज मी. वन लाइनर प्लॉट इस बुक का ये है कि दिस इज अ स्टोरी अबाउट ऑफ कोर्स अ हाउसमेड जो कि एक बहुत ही अमीर घर में हाउसकीपिंग करने जाती है, एंड व्हेन शी स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग she uncovers some strange things, and that's all you need to know. It is a perfect popcorn thriller. But of course, if you want to read The Housemaid, here is what you need to expect. Don't expect great twist. Expect good drama. Yes, this book definitely has good drama. If you want to commit to a series in thriller genre, The Housemaid series is the best to start with. Before ending this video, I have to say this कि इंटरनेट पे ये बुक्स बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर और वायरल है, but please note that they are not beginner friendly. They are great books, it's just that they are not beginner friendly. So please इनसे अपनी reading journey, thriller reading journey start मत करना. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the recommendations. Trust me, all of these books have great story, are very engaging, and they have jaw-dropping plot twist that you won't see coming. And I would also love if you would support and subscribe to my channel for more such fun book content. See you in the next one.